You guys see what we're playing right now? Light Switch, guys. We're playing a game called Light Switch. Yeah. Let's see what this game is about. Let me see if I'm recording right quick. All right, I am. Okay. Let's get right into it, my boys. Yes, sir. Wait a minute. When I say introduction, you're a 12-year-old boy. You live in California, USA. Your mom is usually at work, so you are most of the time home alone. It is the 19th of November, and you are again home alone. It is almost 10 p.m. Press space to start. Alright, about to start. Alright. Alright, let's get. How you guys doing today, guys? Please give me a like. But you don't have to subscribe if you don't want to. I would appreciate the, I got used to being home alone, but I am starting to feel some kind of presence. It is weird. Can we turn that rain off? That rain is annoying. I'm sorry. Press R to return to me. Press Q to exit game. Alright. I'm going to just turn my the volume where, like, for me, I don't think it'll do that for y'all, but for me, it's too loud. So, man, it's too loud. I'm sorry. Answer the phone. Hello! We gotta go. Let's get it, my boys. I don't want to go in here yet. I just want to find that the phone. It gotta be downstairs, right? It gotta be downstairs, right? Knew it. Come on, man. Please go to sleep, but don't forget to close all the lights. Close the lights and go to bed. Close the lights. Does it mean turn off the lights? Wait. I don't get it. Oh, turn it off, right? Alright, you should have said turn off. I was like, close the lights. What do you mean? Wow. This is so weird. There was 3. I don't know what that is. Carrots? Carrots in the fridge. Just a few. How? What is that? I go, my mom left in the morning. How did 1 carrot disappear? You know what? Honestly, I just don't care. Is any of these? It's a burger in a bathroom. It's a whole burger in a bathroom, guys. What do they want? I'm lost, guys. Can anybody help me? Can anybody help me? I'm so lost. Freaking dark, my boy. Okay, you can't turn that off. You can't go straight to all the lights. What is open? Mom is acting weird today. Maybe it is just because of the work. She always works. She should take a break. Facts. She should take a break. Ice cream and some cake. She should take a break. 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 Looks like we are almost out of soap. Did I already read this? I love playing video games. Yes, sir. On my computer. Yes, sir. Even if I suck at them. Yes, sir. I think it was something downstairs left on. Upstairs. Unless we're supposed to put that away. Oh. I didn't see that. What about this? Can we get this? Okay. It must be something downstairs. Has to be. Oh, that's me. Oh, did I not press this? They get it. Okay. I was like, oh. I swear it don't even be looking like it's a light. You know what I mean? Let's get it. Domino. What is happening? A call in the middle of the night. Answer the phone. And it's pure dark. No cap. He is. Close the lights and go back to bed. What do you mean? Turn off the lights. I did turn off the lights, my boy. What do you mean? Let's see. I just want to check. I don't want to. Oh, yeah, something new. What is that smell? It smells like, is that rotten eggs? Is that I like how you can open the fridge. I like that. Bags, my boy. Bag. Alright. Gas is not. That was scary. That was freaking scary. Close the lights and search the house. How are the lights on? I remember closing them before going to sleep. Maybe mom turned them on. I can't sleep yet. Alright, that's one. Mom is sleeping in there. That's a mom. Oh, I seen that, but that's crazy. As long as you don't mess with me, we're good. Mom! Can you please answer the phone? Yeah, I guess I'll do it. First, let me turn off all these lights first. This leads to here too, right? Okay. This leads over here, right? Lose their minds and eyes. The phone again? Where the heck is the, alright. Did I already read this or what? Upstairs. What do you mean upstairs, my boy? Dot, dot, dot on the upper left. I just felt my freaking soul go out of my body, bro. The end. Thanks for playing. No problem, mate. No problem, mate. Thank you for making such a cool game, man. If you're new, guys, please like. I really did enjoy that game. Yeah, see, I should have turned the volume down over there, but I wasn't. Sorry for all that rain if y'all were dealing with it. My dumb self wasn't even paying attention really. Yeah, cool. It was kind of that. It was creepy. I liked it. Nice game. The person that made this, good game. I like it. Yeah, other than that, guys, I have nothing to say. I see you lovely chat in the next video. Peace.